Welcome back to GreenTGarden. Summertime is going to be coming down soon right here in Long Island, New York, and most people are going to think that's the end of the garden. No, it's not. We got fall weathers coming up, and we could grow lots of plants in fall time. And whatever plant you didn't grow in springtime, you got a second opportunity to grow all these plants. You could have a beautiful, massive, big garden in fall time. This is what ready for my August garden, but before I tell you that, I'm going to show you right here. You could plant butternut, squash, pumpkin and stuff right now in July month. Do a light prune and remove some of the side shoots that's growing and the vines, and you're going to get a faster production. This right here is some of the stuff that I'm going to be personally planting in my garden upcoming. I will get some more seeds too, but stuff like Brussels sprout, we have mustard greens, basil, all of the herbs will grow fast. Any type of lettuce will grow and produce the best in fall time. Sugar snap peas, more lettuce. We got beans. Bush beans will grow amazing. Spinach is the best in fall time because you don't have to worry about bolting. Collard greens and stuff. Beetroot, radish, turnip. Listen, non-stop stuff. You could grow cauliflower, broccoli, kale, a lot of stuff that we could grow in fall time. Check in the description box. I'm going to leave all the lists what you could grow coming this fall right now, starting of August. If you have a short garden season, we're going to be stepping into fall, and in winter you do want to start early so we could get multiple harvests. And we have to make sure reuse any old soil, reuse any container, reuse your seeding tray, and don't forget seed outdoor. The weather's perfect to seed in outdoor. It will germinate real fast. Make a list, start figuring out what plants you want to plant. Whatever plant in your summer garden right now look like it's not making it, it looks like it's not growing or attacked by all the bugs, do not keep them. Garbage, whatever is good, you could compost. Go through your soil, clean up all your soil, get out any bad weed or anything like that. Add some, mix into some compost or some fertilizer, mix in some fresh soil and power up back that soil. Oh, sprinkle some garden lime inside the calcium, bring back that soil to life, and that will give you for the whole fall. You're ready to grow and ready to enjoy a beautiful fall garden. So we got a lot more videos coming up, and if you're new, welcome to GreenTGarden. We're all about growing a better home garden together. I do appreciate if you guys could take the time to click the red subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Every time I upload a video, you guys will get it right away. And if you have a social media platform and you want to share my videos, by all means, please do. I really appreciate it. We reach more people, we help more people,